humans are social animals. You must have heard or read this many times. Along with other advantages and disadvantages of being social, one important aspect is that we have to interact and deal with people. And when two or more people work together, conflicts are bound to happen, which cannot be avoided. To be able to deal with these conflicts, we need to have conflict management and negotiation skills. Negotiation. This is another frequently used word. We use this word in office, in the market, in conversations, and in many financial and non-financial things. In short, we need negotiations in our professional as well as personal life. We are introducing a course which will update you on conflict management and negotiation skills. We are going to highlight various uses of negotiation in our life with its benefits and long-lasting effects.